Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I want to talk about 5 reasons to buy Amazfit Bip 6. Now, before I get started, I want you to keep one crucial thing in mind. This watch is typically around 80 bucks and the features packed into this thing absolutely mind-blowing for this price. So I'm going to give you my top 5 reasons why you should seriously consider picking up this watch. And stick around until the end because I'll be sharing my absolute favorite feature later on in this video. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the incredible AI features baked right into Amazfit Bip 6. This isn't just a basic smartwatch, it's got some serious brains. It all starts with Zepp Flow, which is powered by OpenAI. You can use it to schedule notifications, respond to messages, and even get answers to your questions. It works like a charm as a reminder setter and general assistant for your daily tasks. But here is where things get even cooler. There is also an offline voice assistant mode, which means you can carry out various functions on the watch by just waking up the display and speaking your command. And for all you fitness enthusiasts, there is Zepp Coach. This AI-powered feature allows you to create personalized workout plans. It's designed to help you stay consistent and hit your fitness goals, all tailored just for you. The way Amazfit has integrated AI really adds a ton of value to your everyday use of the watch. The second reason is its incredibly extensive health and fitness suite. For a watch at this price point, what you get is genuinely impressive. Let's start with GPS. It has built-in GPS that supports 5 satellite systems, meaning it's super accurate for tracking your runs, walks, and rides. You can even load maps onto the watch through Zap App and track yourself right there on the display, a feature you rarely see on a budget-friendly watch. Then there is the one-tap measuring of essential health features. With just a single tap, you can get readings of your heart rate, stress levels, breathing rate, and blood oxygen levels. No more jumping between different apps. It's all right there, conveniently in one place. The Bip 6 also tracks over 140 workout modes. Plus, it has an automatic workout detection, which is a lifesaver if you ever forget to start a session. You can also create custom workout templates, adding different sections like warm-ups and cooldowns, and follow them directly on the watch. And of course, there is extensive sleep tracking. You get all the basic sleep metrics you would expect, plus even more detailed insights available on the Zap app on your phone. Amazfit is truly adding incredible value to affordable watches, giving you very little reason to spend hundreds more. Reason number 3 is the fantastic ecosystem support that comes with the Amazfit Bip 6. This isn't just a standalone device, it's part of a well-developed platform. When you connect your Bip 6 to Zap app, you gain access to the Zap App Store. There are tons of useful apps there catering to almost all your needs. There is even a third-party Spotify app that lets you access your playlists, though there is a paid version that unlocks a lot more features. You also get a huge library of watch faces to choose from, both free and paid, and some of them are simply stunning. They are information dense and look absolutely gorgeous on the Bip 6's display, which we'll talk about more in a bit. Another big win: you can download music directly to the watch for offline listening. And yes, you can connect your Bluetooth headphones to the watch and leave your phone behind. These are features you typically find on premium smartwatches, and Amazfit is delivering them in an $80 package, which is just awesome. Finally, if you own multiple Amazfit watches, the Zap app makes it incredibly easy to switch between them. Your health data conveniently syncs across all your devices, so you never lose your progress or insights. It's a truly cohesive experience. Now for reason number 4, and this is a big one for me, the monster battery life on Amazfit Bip 6. The watch packs 340 mAh battery. Amazfit claims up to 14 days of typical usage. And while that's impressive, I've been using it with all the features turned on. 24/7 health tracking, always on display enabled, and maximizing everything possible day and night. And even with that heavy use, I am consistently getting 5 to 6 days of battery life. And Amazfit actually claims 6 days of heavy usage, and it's spot on. Once you experience a watch you only have to charge once a week, it becomes incredibly hard to go back to something like Galaxy Watch Ultra that you have to charge every single day. The Bip 6 gives you that freedom for almost a full week. And now for my absolute favorite feature, and reason number 5 why you should get Amazfit Bip 6, the display. It features a 1.97-inch AMOLED display, and it is just beautiful. With a 2000 nit peak brightness, it's incredibly easy to see even under direct sunlight and in brightly lit situations. Plus, it has an auto brightness built in. The vibrant colors and deep blacks of AMOLED panel, combined with the stunning watch faces available in the Zap app, are simply mind-blowing. Every time I glance at this display, I am blown away by how good it looks. Feels like you're using a premium device with a truly beautiful high quality display. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were my top 5 reasons why you should consider buying a Amazfit Bip 6 this summer. I hope you found this video useful. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.